Look at your body right now. Your heart is beating, your lungs are breathing, and your brain is helping you understand this video. But have you ever stopped to wonder, how is all this even possible? That's exactly what biology explains. Welcome to Olive Academy, where we make biology simple, fun, and unforgettable. Today, we're starting with our very first lesson, Introduction to Biology. What is biology? The word biology comes from two Greek words, bios meaning life, and logos meaning study. It is simply the study of life. Biology is a branch of science that is concerned with the study of life. Scientists who study biology are called biologists. What do biologists study? Biologists study living things and how they interact with their environment. Why is biology important? Biology isn't just about passing exams, it helps us understand life. It explains why we breathe, why plants grow, why animals behave the way they do, and how everything in nature is connected. Without biology, we wouldn't understand medicine, food, health, or even how to care for our planet. Now, we are going to look at branches of biology.
Branches of biology. We have many branches of biology, but I'm going to list and explain 10. 1. Botany. It is the study of plants. 2. Zoology. It is the study of animals. 3. Algology. It's the study of algae. 4. Anatomy. It's the study of internal structures of organisms. 5. Entomology. It is the study of insects. 6. Genetics. It is the study of inheritance and variations. 7. Bacteriology. It is the study of bacteria. 8. Virology. It is the study of virus. 9. Mammalogy. It is the study of mammals. 10. Microbiology. It is the study of microorganisms. So, let's look at career for biology students. That's the field you can qualify after studying biology in school. 1. Medical and health careers. Under this one, you have doctors, nurses, pharmacist. 2. Environmental and agricultural career, where you have environmental scientist, soil scientist, forestry officer, and so many of them. 3. Research and lab career. Under this, you have microbiologist, pathologist, biotechnologist, biochemist, and so many of them. 4. Education and communication careers. Examples are biology teacher, science writer, and curriculum developer. 5. Emerging careers. Examples are AI in healthcare analyst, science policy advisor, and others.
So remember, biology is the study of life. It covers everything from the smallest cell to the entire planet. And the more you understand it, the better you can appreciate the world around you. On this channel, you'll learn key biology topics for exams like WAEC, NECO, and JAMB in a simple, visual, and fun way. So if you're a student, you're in the right place. Here's my question for you. Which career in biology excites you the most? Drop your answer in the comments. I will love to see what inspires you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your classmates. And stay tuned because our biology journey is just getting started. See you in the next lesson.